Hello guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to watch TikTok without account. To start this tutorial, open and locate your application store in your iOS or Android device. Now tap on it to open it. Once you are here at App Store, use the search bar this time. Over at the search bar, you are going to search for the following: TikTok. Now open TikTok. Once you find it, install your TikTok application or update it if needed. You'll know it's uploaded or downloaded when it says open. Once you're all good to go, close App Store and this time open and locate your TikTok application. Now tap on TikTok to open it. And as you do it, you can see videos now. For example, now the next step is to click on Profile on the bottom right. In here, there is no account needed, but you are still able to browse over a TikTok. Click on Home once again. And as you can see, you are now watching a lot of various videos over a TikTok. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.